In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to clone apps in any Android phone, or how to create a dual instance for any app in any Android device. So I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android 15 device, but if you have an older version of Android, you could also watch my video completely till the end, because this is going to work for you also. So the first thing is get hold of your Android device. Now, let me tell you this, that not all Android phones can clone all applications on your phone. Nowadays, most Android devices can do that, but older versions and some brand Android phones cannot clone all applications like WhatsApp for Business, or even WhatsApp, or maybe Facebook, or whatever applications you're wanting to clone to use two separate accounts. So in such an instance, what you need to do is have a setup in your Android phone that could help you clone any or every application that you have. So in order for you to do that, all you have to do is install one application, and that is going to take care of all the dual instances that you want to create on your Android device. So once you get hold of your Android phone, get to Play Store directly and just do a search for Parallel Space. Once you do that, you're going to get a lot of applications that could help you do dual applications on your phone. So you could see that there is an application known as Parallel App Dual App Cloner. Click on that and install it on your Android phone. Once it is installed, open it, click on Agree and Continue. And then once you are in the application, I would suggest you create an account for yourself. You could sign in with your Google account. So now once you're completely signed up and logged in, you could just click on add and add whatever applications you want to clone on your phone. Okay, so I see that WhatsApp is already there. So if I click on WhatsApp, I get a reminder like this. Click on open. Okay, and a cloned version of WhatsApp is going to be created for you, and you can log into your new WhatsApp account. Okay, apart from WhatsApp, if you want to create maybe an instance of Instagram, you could add that here, and then you could click on the icon again and then click on OK, click on allow, click on never remind, click on open, and then you have dual instance for your Instagram setup out here. So whatever applications you want to clone or you want to create a dual instance for, just click on add and then keep adding the applications. Now if you want to access the applications, you have to come back to the app and then open it, and then get back to the home page out here, and then access the dual instance of the app from here. You're not going to get like a shortcut out here on your home screen to access the second or the cloned app. Okay, that's the only thing. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.